Around 82% of the people in US wants an on-demand doctor application so that they can easily get in touch with their doctors. Having said so, like around 75% people talk to their doctors on mobile applications, WhatsApp, chat, and prefer to get their prescriptions on text message or in-app messaging system. That shows that how big this industry and how badly people want to be a part of this industry. Hey guys, my name is Deep and today we are going to talk about why, as a doctor, you need an on demand application, or as a businessman, you need an on demand application, so you want to invest in an on demand applications, bringing doctors and patients and healthcare professionals and medicines all at a single place. Today we are going to talk in detail about the need, the requirement and the market capacity of on-demand healthcare application and why you should invest in that right now. Patients usually wait for a couple of days to get an appointment of their favorite doctor, and if they don't do that, they switch to other doctors. Two problems: one, patient have to go to other doctors which they actually not prefer, versus the doctor whom they actually will love or whom they actually always consult. The second problem is doctors lose their business. So to balance all of them, it's really important to build a platform which brings the synchronizations between the patients and the doctors. And on-demand application does that really well. Let's recall and see the situations during the peak COVID time and right now and see that what people are preferring. People want to book their appointment online. They do not want to go to the doctors or call them to get an appointment. They want to book appointment online. Not just that, they don't want to go to the clinic or the hospital. What they want is an virtual consultations with doctor writing the reports. They get the reports done, they show the reports to the doctor, and again a virtual consultations to prescribe the medicine. And on top of that, people want that when they get the prescriptions from the doctor, it automatically gets to other part of the system wherein the medicines are delivered to that in a single day. No one wants to actually go out to book an appointment, visit the doctor, get the medicine, and people are lazy, right? And in this situation, you talk about the healthcare system, people are lazy and people are fear. People don't want to go to hospital with a risk of getting any disease, if not just COVID. So getting into a space where they can book an appointment with the doctor, they can book their whole test, they can get the test done in a single meeting, they can get medical, the pharmacy prescriptions, they can have pharmacy delivered their medicines at their doorstep. That is the whole ecosystem you can plan so that patients do not go out of your system. They get everything at a single place and they stay dedicated with you. Considering the peak pandemic situations, many government actually assisted doctors and built up their own system so that people can get online consultations with doctor really easily. And that is required, right? Government don't want to risk the COVID situations by people going out of their home, getting meetings with doctors done and carrying away more diseases. So many governments preferred that everyone has a virtual consultation system and they promoted that at a really huge level. Let's talk about the direct benefits to the hospitals and other stakeholders to make sure that you understand that why it's really important and why it's really a situation wherein it would be a win-win situation for everyone. For an hospital, it would be really more convenient. Second thing, less paperwork required, more patient outcome, low readmission, cheaper services, less resources required to manage the patients. And of course, a higher return to investment and better work-life balance for the doctors as well, right? They do not have to stay more time in the hospitals, can get virtual consultations done and get the things done very easily. And these reasons can be endless. Having said so, this industry is flourishing and this industry is going to flourish down the line in next 10 to 15 years continuously without a break. The M Health ecosystem reached to around $50 billion in 2020 and it is expected to reach around $213 billion by the end of 2027. See the growth rate from 50 billion to 213 billion in a span of 7 years, right? That's a huge market to capture. Get into it, conquer the market, get more resources, get more customers in any part of the world. Can you imagine to be a part of such a tremendous industry? So if you are an entrepreneur planning to invest in any on-demand space, I would suggest that get into the healthcare system. You want any ideas, you want any help, you want any planning assistance, get in touch with us at ibiixo and we are going to sort out all the things for you. We have a link to all the resources in the descriptions. The on-demand healthcare application page is in the descriptions. The way you can reach us at sales@ibiixo.com. You can reach me personally at +919913796777 on my personal line and on WhatsApp as well. Signing off with an hope that you get into the healthcare ecosystem. Deep Karya from ibiixo Studios.